In this video, I will show how to make a line in Microsoft Word for formal letter. So firstly, click on this Design tab and here click on this Page Border. Just select your border, select box. You can change the width from here. Style. Now remove from top, left and right, then click on OK. Now type your text here. Make changes to your text, size, color and whatever you need. The layout, so in margin select normal. So this way guys, you can make a line in Word for formal letter. So thanks for watching and